All the supplier companies that have been created in the solution can be found from the menu on the top. The specific supplier data can be accessed by clicking the company name. On the supplier tabs, it's possible to view, for example, the company basic information, the contact persons, questionnaire and tendering history, and on the documents page, all the documentation and files related to this supplier company. On this page, the tool shows the document history of all the files the supplier company has uploaded in the participated supplier questionnaires and RFXs. Any expired files can be archived on the right side of the page. The files will not be deleted, but they will be removed from this main view. The archived files can be accessed with the search filters on the top of the page. In addition to the files the supplier has uploaded, also the buyer can save company-specific attachments that have been received, for example, by email. These will also be shown here on the Documents page. And in addition to the files, it's also possible to write down memos directly here in the Documents page. Just click the button, write down the heading and notes related to this supplier, and then save from the bottom of the page. Any information, the files or memos saved by the buyer will not be shown to the representatives of the supplier company.